Hello everyone. It is now past 6 p.m. on the 1st of October. I'm in Chongzuo, Guangxi. Chongzuo is a border city adjacent to Vietnam. Tonight and tomorrow, I'll be traveling around Chongzuo. Now, I'm in Taiping, ancient city. Tomorrow, I'll go to Mingshi, Pastoral, and Detian Waterfall. But a few days ago, Vietnam was affected by a typhoon. The water level and Chongzuo is downstream from so a lot of flood water is discharged over here. I just received the water level at Detian Waterfall the volume is huge and the water is yellow. As for Mingshi Pass, it is not yet certain whether it will open. Maybe I couldn't go there tomorrow. Wait for my latest report tomorrow. This scenic area the performances are also free. Many performances, one every 5 to 10 am at 7, 8, and 9 o'clock. They keep repeating, but the quality is rather average. Nothing special. We watched 2 or 3. We felt it was just so-so. This is what we saw in dancing. The Jin ethnic group's one-string instrument. She plucks the string with one and the other hand bends the black vertical pole.
There are pitches on the board below.
It's a tapping distance.
Yes, so she knows where her right hand is marked on the board, and her left hand bends that pole. If there is a transition, she has to bend the pole.
I think I understand now. Its sound is totally different from what I thought it would be either an erhu or a, but it is neither.
It sounds a bit like electronic music.
It is like wind instruments. It's like a hulusi. Want a serving of sulfura powder? A sulfura powder for 5 yuan and 2 bowl puddings, also 5 yuan, $0.7. Inside this should be something like jelly, made into this shape. It has a cooling sensation, like mint or honeysuckle flavor. 没有什么 flavor taste. Bowl pudding, my childhood memory. At our elementary school entrance, 1 yuan, $0.14 each. Sticky and not sweet, no obvious flavor. Its flavor mainly comes from passion fruit. It is the taste of passion fruit. And I have another one that is red bean flavor. This is red bean taste. The body itself it is just glutinous. Many dishes here use fruits in cooking. This plum pork knuckle and this passion fruit pork ribs. I can already imagine that sweet and sour taste.
Rise up like a dragon, right?
A national flag.
The 1st of October 1949, the founding of the People's Republic of China.
Let's attract 100 people to our lives. Let's go for 100 people! Are you ready? Give me 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 6.
The next morning, we're having breakfast. Then we'll go to Detian Waterfall and Mingshi Pastoral. Didn't expect the hotel breakfast to have rice roll inside this. The wrapper looks like the rice wrapper, and inside it is rolled with pickled beans and meat. It is savory.
It is not pickled beans, just bean. I drizzle soy sauce, so it is savory. Lao Zhang drizzled. And this leftover rice dumpling from yesterday, we'll eat it all.
Look at this. You can tell this is from Guangxi, but I can't tell which ethnic group this is.
The fog in Chongzuo was too thick this morning. I couldn't see clearly beyond 100 meters. Hope we can see good scenery today. Chongzuo is abundant in sugarcane. I heard that 80% of China as sugar are produced in Chongzuo. The sugarcane here is mainly used for sugar. It is not good for eating directly. Can't bite through it. The fog cleared. The sun suddenly appeared. Now we've arrived at Mingshi Pastoral. Later we'll take the sightseeing bus to go around here. It is expected to take over an hour. Let's go!
The water has already risen to here.
You can imagine how big the flood was upstream. Words are carved on the mountainside. Wishing Chairman Mao a long life.
Long live Mao.
Yes, on the left is Long Life Chairman Mao.
It is a product of the Cultural Revolution period. The scenery here is similar to what we saw in Guilin, very similar. Karst topography, mountains that rise straight up from the ground, nearly vertical cliffs. And here we see rice being grown. The rice here has 2 harvests per year. The corn planted here has been flooded. The water level is too high, and it caused the land here to be flooded. This is a fish scale. The water level is too high. You can't see the fish, you can only see water. After heavy rain, the water is yellow and rushing. He wanted to go this way, they wants to go that way. Normally this area would have lots of people during this road should be jammed. But today, just this many people should be because of the typhoon, heavy rain. Many scenic areas are closed or partially open. People didn't come. The road has been flooded. The car can only drive over the water. There are papayas here. Some are already turning yellow. There are passion fruits here, just fruited, still green. You can ride hot air balloons here. Along this way, we'll pass several border checkpoints. They'll check ID cards. They might even come to ask where you're from. During National Day, traffic might increase. They might add more checkpoints. But most situations should be fine. Later, we can take photos or videos. It is now past 11 o'clock. We're having lunch here. Then we'll go to Detian Waterfall. Now I'm in Detian Waterfall. This is the ticket gate. There are a lot of people, but it is nowhere near the National Day level. Across this river is Vietnam.
Not only is Vietnam's territory very slender, their roads are also slender.
Wow, this water has risen too much.
The village houses are also slender. Vietnam's houses are long and narrow, different from Chinese square houses.
I'm very close to the Vietnamese village, just a river. During the dry season, you can even walk directly across. So there used to be a lot of illegal border crossing here. This river behind me is the Gui Cheng River, and over there is Vietnam. Vietnam also built a scenic route, but I just heard that they have fewer tourists, so our scenic area makes more money. You can see Detian Waterfall from afar. Upstream is Vietnam. Downstream here is, so it is a transnational water. It is the Asia's largest transnational waterfall. This waterfall has a drop of over 70 meters. The water mist is very high. There is a Vietnamese flag there. Can you see it? This is a popular photo spot called Waterfall View Cafe. Many people are here, and at that straw pavilion there are too many people, so we won't go over. Because of the flood, the bamboo rafts and the walkway close to the river are all closed. We can only walk around up here and take photos. I can feel the waterfall's mist here, like it is drizzling, even from this far away. Wow, look at this water mist from right to left, like fish. A temple next to the waterfall, built by the villagers here. Many prayer ribbons are tied here. Almost every scenic area now has these ribbons.
8 yuan, 1.1.
9.9 yuan.
It says sincerity brings effort. Anyway, if it doesn't work, it is your own problem.
The walkway above is closed. We can't go up today. The guide said it is quite fun up there. A glass walkway and a viewing platform overlooking Viet, and also slide down. But because there was an accident a year ago, it has been closed. It has been closed for over a year now.
Vietnamese snack spring rolls and shrimp cake, and Vietnamese lemongrass grilled chicken wings.
Come take a look quickly.
This is the AI with that Guangxi accent popular online. Just like the person who said working is impossible. From here you can see the water is very fast. This is comparable to that Tangshan River that Tang Monk and his disciples crossed. Kopi Luwak. Is this it? Doesn't have a cat poop smell.
Of course, no cat poop smell.
Influenced by French colony, Vietnam is rich in coffee, and here the most famous is the Kopi Luwak coffee beans. Kopi Luwak means civet eats the coffee bean passing through their digestive system. After the beans are excreted, they have a special flavor. They say it is ironwood, very hard, very durable. We're resting here for a while now. Here we're already very close to the Vietnam border. If you're using mobile data, be careful. If you connect to Vietnam signal, you will have to pay international roaming fee for this data. It is very expensive. Finished touring Detian Waterfall. Now we're heading back. Super large durian slippers.
Zhuang brocade, the characteristic fabric pattern of the Zhuang people.
Many women are holding Vietnamese cigarettes. Selling. Should be cheaper than in stores. That is all for our tour of Chongzuo. Today was quite lucky with good weather. Not too many people. The flooding I mentioned earlier made this waterfall very spectacular. Chongzuo Detian Waterfall is quite worth seeing. Next, I'll go to base. Tonight, I'll stay in Mingshi base. See you in the next video.